Hey y'all, welcome back to the Hebert house. This is our 24 hours in NYC. Man, I am definitely a Southern girl, but I fell in love with this city. We started our journey with a ferry ride from Hoboken, New Jersey over to the Manhattan side of the Hudson River. If you've never taken the ferry, I strongly recommend it. It was such a fun experience. Our first stop in NYC was Ground Zero, and to say it was humbling is an understatement. Being alive during this attack and being a high schooler, it meant a whole lot more to me than it did to Bobby. And trying to explain to him the significance of this place was even hard to do. But we took in all of our sights and sounds around us, and it was very emotional, but such a beautiful tribute to those who gave their lives that day and who lost their lives that day. So I'm not sure if many of you know, but Bobby's dad is actually a firefighter and EMT. So the first responders that came into 9/11 to fearlessly give their lives is something that's been significant to our family and to Bobby for a long time. Getting to see these first responders' names and also getting to visit Tin House downtown New York City was something that was very, very special to Bobby.
This is what you've been waiting for the whole time.
Whoa.
Hey, that's mine.
Not even paying attention to him.
Oh.
None of it. Plain dog. No drink. That's it.
I couldn't stop looking around. There was just so much to see, and it was just everything demanded your attention. Our hotel was in Times Square, so it was just a quick walk over to Broadway where we were going to see The Lion King. This has been on my bucket list for as long as I can remember, and I was so excited to share this with Bobby. Everything about this experience was more than I could imagine. It was probably one of my favorite things I've ever done. If you're ever in New York City and have a chance to check out The Lion King, I strongly recommend it, and your kids will absolutely love it. There was a point where Bobby looked up at me and said, "Mom, I'm smiling so big," and that meant the world to me. From there we headed over to our hotel room in Times Square to check it out before heading to Rockefeller Center, and I thought I'd give you a little tour. Alright, so I'm going to give you a little room tour. We are staying at the DoubleTree Hotel in Times Square. So this is our room. This is the first room. So you got a sitting area, a fold-out couch where my boys are hanging out. Hey boys. And then it has a TV and a desk, and I'll show you guys the view from this room. We are on the 29th floor. So down there is Times Square. All right, so that's this. And then if you look on the other side of our, hello. If you look at the other side of our room, there is a wet bar like area, the sink, little coffee pot, ice bucket, and then it's got 2 more sinks in here. So we got double sinks here. Is the bathroom. Then you got your shower and your commode. And then this is the bedroom. It's got 2 beds. And then the chest and TV and closet. And then I'll show you the view from the bedroom as well. This is the view from the bedroom in Times Square. Buildings. Y'all, I have never in my life seen a place like this. I mean, even like London and Chicago, like, just doesn't do the city justice. It's incredible. Next we headed to Rockefeller Center, but Bobby had to make a stop at the Nintendo store first, and it was so cute in there. I definitely am not a video game person, but this was heaven for him. So next it was Mom's turn in heaven, and we ended up in the Kate Spade New York flagship store where I got to shop and meet the most wonderful girls that work there and had one of the most exciting experiences of my life. Yes, I got to spin around and have confetti thrown on me in the middle of the Kate Spade store in Rockefeller Center in New York City. Hashtag dream goals. After all that fun in Rockefeller Center, it was time for dinner. We found a cute little Irish pub called Sean's Bar and Grill, and it was great. Plus they had the South Carolina-Georgia game on, and we got to see Georgia beat South Carolina. What more could a girl ask for? After we got our sweet fill at M&M World, we headed to Times Square at night where our hotel was, and I can't even describe it. Like, I'm still trying to figure out the words to describe it. It was crazy. It was packed. It was definitely more than the Southern girl is used to, but it was incredible. It was just a definitely in the moment that I will never forget.
Next level. I
decided to end our time in Times Square with a little hug from this guy, and I'm so glad I did, because right after I did, Bobby said he wanted to hug him, and he actually hugged him twice. And I think it's just so important to teach our children to love everyone, no matter their racial background, their color of their skin, or their political references. It's just so important.
Yes, this is Mr. Hebert. Yes, we wanted to order some desserts. Yes, a DoubleTree cookie ice cream sandwich and a New York cheesecake. Yes. All right, thank you so much.
Real quick, starter for dessert.
Cheesecake.
And here's my mommy. Yeah. Oh, and y'all want to see Times Square at night from our window?
How cool. Can we turn the light up?
Yeah.
So much better.
Let me do it down here.
Hold on.
Oh,
Cool.
y'all, it's so fun. This is like the most fun place ever. I definitely couldn't live here, but this is killer.
I know y'all might think it's a little extra to order room service, but we really wanted Bobby to have the whole experience, and it was so fun just to see his face light up when he lifted off the top to his room service and got to eat a special dessert that night.
Alright. Oh my gosh, there's 2 of them.
I give up. I'm done.
Babe, what are you?
Good.
It's too good.
Too good.
Oh my gosh.
Cookies. Those cookies. Stacks of ice cream. Layered with a pound of oat sprinkles.
Oh my gosh, Doodle, those.
Wait, that's not all. He's not. Don't take the finger in.
There's Mom and Mr. Kevin. Oh, yum. What was your favorite part of the day today, though?
Good.
Is it me?
Yes.
Talking to people from around the world.
Yeah.
How many did you get?
Pictures. I only got 8 because I got Chile, Peru, 2 Indias, England, and
This one has to be Asian.
there's got to be another one. I can't remember
Did
the
you
other
have a
country,
China?
but
No.
I just
I thought you said you had a China.
no. That was
No.
that was probably the plate at dinner.
All right, so Mom, what was your favorite part of the whole day? Oh wait, he's back.
Oh, no, that wasn't my favorite part of the whole day. Actually, I think it's a tough decision because I did enjoy, ironically enough, the boat ride across from Hoboken. I
Really?
did.
The
I
ferry.
Really did.
Wow.
I did enjoy the ferry.
That's so fun.
It did. I really did enjoy the ferry. I was surprised.
Which is rare because Mom gets car sick.
Yeah.
Or well, boat sick.
Yeah, it was a pretty rough ride.
Yeah.
The Hudson's pretty choppy.
I almost tossed my biscuits.
All
I
right,
really
Bobby,
think that was fun.
what was your favorite part
My
of the whole day?
I think there has to be. Can I have like 2, but they're all the same equally?
Sure.
Okay.
So my first one is the memorial,
Yeah, that
Mm.
was really good.
and then the other one was whenever I got the mac and cheese.
I was going to say dinner was
Yeah.
like right up there as my favorite
Dinner
part of the
was
day
really
too,
good.
because dinner was awesome.
All right, babe, what was your favorite part?
Spinning around and having confetti thrown on me by the girls at the Spade store.
I thought I was just walking down the street.
Everything was my favorite part. New York has not disappointed. It is so incredible here. I mean, I couldn't live here. I'm a small town Georgia girl, but it is just incredible. Yeah, I think so. I mean, it's just, yeah, just incredible. And being here with my favorite peoples.
Yes.
What about you, Dad?
You might recognize this one.
All right, so this is your favorite part of the whole day?
My favorite part of the whole day doesn't just happen in an instant. It happens the whole day. It happens when I see your face experiencing the things that you've always wanted to experience.
Like whoever said, "Hey, we're in New York" 5 times today.
Right. The ferry, the memorial, the Uber ride uptown, the shopping, Times Square, Broadway, Kate Spade, everything.
Lego.
Just
Nintendo.
seeing your reaction to just a day. It's a day, just a day in our life, but it spans so much more than that.
You made me cry. Babe.
So that's the favorite part of my day.
Come kiss me.
Watching you.
Come kiss me. Come kiss me.
We were told that we had to go to Junior's Bakery, 1 to try their cheesecake and 2 to have their breakfast, and it definitely didn't disappoint. And this Southern girl was able to find grits in this city. So if you're from the South, you're in New York City, and you're looking for grits, go to Junior's. They are so good.
Next level. Next level.
Our last stop in our NYC adventure was Central Park and of course the Met. I had to sit on the steps just like Gossip Girl because what else would you do when you're in New York City?
Next level.
This was an incredible experience and I cannot wait to go back. Thank you guys for coming along with us on our journey and we hope to see you again soon. Y'all have a great day. God bless.